Carabao. Buffalo. Hi, Buffalo.
Nakawala ka?
We are going to hiking, but nice road to hike.
Yeah, we have the sun now.
Yeah, see? Bukan, tadi very
Awas mobil.
The sun is very high.
It's okay,
Yeah,
don't very shiny.
tadi lah cloudy. Hohoy sama.
Dia mau jalan ke pinggir. Ay, ano?
Seragam.
Menghirup udara sing
Wow, good.
Yeah. No pollution naman.
No pollution.
Yeah. We always in the pollution. I thought car.
Noise.
Yes.
Look at my camera.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Oh, good.
Be careful.
How? Back and front? Because some mobiles can do like that, but this kind of mobile I don't know. Oh, kisah Mbak Indonesia.
Kaya na! Pwede sa lamig.
Yes, hi! You got it already?
Naughty.
Damihan mo ng oil sa bahay.
Sabihin pa talaga yung too much oil. Why no taste?
So we need to walk to make our muscle strong.
Muscle.
Yeah. When we getting old one day, our legs still strong.
Like me too. You see?
Exercise at home.
Kala ko si Shirley yung nasa puno.
I also long time not delete the
Ikaw ka mataba eh.
video.
Oh, parang doon.
So many car. Only one way car. To the jungle.
Handa mo na yung sarili mo ha.
Na.
Mamayang gabi, bukas ang umaga, anong sakit ang binti mo.
Sa hapon ako dinadalhin to pero in Jesus name.
Oh. Cut. Pakai motorcycle.
Okay.
No? Sa dulo ng daliri. Ha? Masakit mo sa dulo ng daliri. Ay, ikaw.
Pahulog. Ay, gugulong na.
Paustos te.
Sisipahin niya nga para gulong ko ng gulong.
Tayo matayat. Can see the mountain now.
May sakyan naman yun eh, no?
Kasama sila ng mga gamit.
Nandiyan na naman siya ano eh, no? Si Kalbo.
Nasa ano po yun? Wala siya dyan.
Ha?
Wala.
Hindi, nung ano, nandyan oh.
Nakaalis na po.
Naman siya ulit?
Oo.
Bumalik na.
Punta na sila ng ibang bansa. Ayan.
Pa ibang bansa na yun?
May dahan-dahan naman. Ay, yung urago na iiwan.
Papita na indus. Papita.
Nung wala pa akong apo, hindi naman ako maglakad. Nung wala pa akong apo, matigas na ako maglakad.
Lalong mararamdaman kasi gusto mong mag-rest. Hinay-hinay lang yan.
How come now? Right now ready far?
Sweating.
Sana nahiram ko itong kod
Me?
mo.
Yeah. You sweat a lot
Naka-stuck
always
lang
than
dun
me.
Oh, it means I'm healthy.
Yeah. Chitok your toxin.
Itong kod naman ako nasa dibdib. Badidis. Ay, meron. 64 na ako. Bumili ka. Huwag ka na hiwalay.
Hawak na lang ako.
Hawakan mo na lang.
Oh, arin na lang tubig ko.
Hindi, tubig.
Asa yung spray? Ate,
Ano mo
pakapit.
pala ito?
Sino nag-invite sa'yo? Hindi, pahingi.
Ito meron ako. Yan. Ay, kung tukod. Pwede naman ito kahit hulugin.
Hello, we're ba anak ko very fast eh.
Tell me, I was talking about that. This.
Good na? Good. How come 64 is still very strong? Is it far? No, I'm not far.
No. It means we stop walking.
Going up. It's nice to walk.
It's hard to grip.
Fresh water yan. Tagang din ang pakulo. Alkaline pa yan. Ano siya? Uboy. Wala siyang masamang pinapay.
Handa na.
Lumipad na siya.
Yun na.
Di ano to? Kaya taba ito?
Ah,
Kaya taba ito. Order natin eh.
ay!
Ate Shirley. Ate Shirley.
Oh.
Sorry.
Sino nagdala sa'yo?
Alam niyo si Ate Mirna.
Mirna.
Siya yung nag-open nito yan.
Hindi ba? Ang ibig ko sabihin, matagal ka naman invite nila.
Oo.
Pwede na i-follow up din.
Ay, last ano? Last June yata, July.
Now no power.
This is my upline.
Battery low.
Lalo mapagod.
Mbak Ratna already go very far.
Ako, wala pa akong tigil. Sila tumitigil.
I also long
Don't
time
stop.
not running.
If you stop,
It become
more
pain
fire. Here, slow.
because long time not
Yeah.
running. When in Thailand, in the ISP camp, 2 days non-stop outdoor
Oh.
training, outdoor, running. so many the process like game like that. So you need to finish from this game to another game within 1 day. Otherwise no point. Time no signal.
Ano, signal? Dial na lang.
No, sometime no signal. How long we walk? Half hour. Something.
Under 15 minutes.
It's okay. It's okay. Good exercise. 1 year, 1 time.
Yeah. I think the one that she is talking is the one that I have prospect.
Doesn't care. Prospect is coming and going. They have party now.
No, they are eating first.
Yeah, so that's why.
That is not good. Because you are full and they climbing.
Some people, they don't have time to take breakfast maybe, and they like gathering. Mountain is cloudy, guys.
Diba tayo trabaho, diba kapoy po?
Kapoy yung sigpong ko.
O, tanawa kulay amo, diba?
Tesla.
I heard to talk
Where? No.
on the back.
Yeah.
They will follow us.
Very far. Actually, is this the place for the praying also or not, sis? So it means the people is coming here to pray also or what?
Yeah.
Mean this car?
Yeah, but now
Any other? No.
Why? Why you are
I just thinking where is the Anna?
We are thinking about you.
Why cannot
Are
see?
you are on the top already or we are?
Hello.
So come over.
Kalau kendur kono kae rada munggah titik kan.
Oh, kuwi.
Kae rada rono titik ngono. Dadi kono ketok ngono tapi
Kok
iki
kene 23 menit tuh.
23 ya ra suwi lho.
Iki sik tak pateni nah.
23 menit tapi kan sampean ora kok ngesor mau, mundak mandek. Itu setengah jaman luwih pisan. Kuwi paling kabute nggak ngalih ki rada awanan.
Dadine
Ora ketok blas. Maksing Mbak Indo bang tekan ndi? Yang belakune saya alon kok Mbak, Ratna ora ketok. Baterai ini lu awake dhewe iki kok mengerti. Cek menggeh-menggeh wae. Kok Mbak Tati telepon?
Besok kalang. Kaya.
Desember. This is the day. December. What? Oh, this it?
Ito. Ito yung kapatid mo. Kapatid mo sa damit.
What happened this car?
Magkamukha kayo sila ng damit. Yung isa yata binilan nyo.
Sa amin yan, sa labo.
Kaya.
Nung May po.
Asan?
Nung May, mayroon po ang labo.
Kaya.
Yun, ano namin.
Ay sabi ko magkabot. Nakita ko to, tumayo doon sa ano. Uy, si Shelly yun, no? Sabi ko gano'n.